How to make a durable doormat from plastic bag. Today, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. It's simple, budget-friendly, and a great way to reduce plastic waste. Today, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. It's simple, budget-friendly, and a great way to reduce plastic waste. Let's get started. First, collect clean plastic shopping bags. Try to separate them by color if you want a beautiful pattern, but you can also mix different colors for a unique design. Make sure the bags are dry and free from dirt. Now flatten each plastic bag carefully. Fold it into a long strip, then cut it into even pieces using ordinary scissors. Keeping the strips the same width will make the final mat look much cleaner. Next, connect the plastic strips together using simple loop knots. Continue joining them until you have one long plastic strand. Roll the strand into a ball to keep everything neat and easy to work with. Now twist 3 long plastic strands together to make strong braided ropes. Keep the braid tight and even. This is what gives the finished doormat its strength and durability. Take your time during this step because it makes a big difference. Start rolling the braid into a spiral from the center. Use a strong needle and thread to stitch each new round firmly to the previous one. Continue adding more braided rope until the doormat reaches your desired size. Keep checking that the edges stay flat while stitching. Final reveal! And that's it! A beautiful, durable doormat made entirely from old plastic shopping bags. Instead of throwing plastic away, you turned it into something useful for your home. CTA. If you enjoyed this DIY project, let me know in the comments. What should I make next using plastic bags? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step recycling ideas that anyone can make at home. See you in the next transformation!